Hi, in this lesson, we see about what is keyword and search theme prioritization. So let's understand it with an example. Let's say in your account, you have search campaign in exact match, phrase match, broad match, and in you are also using PMax where you are using search themes. Okay, so in those campaigns, you are using skydiving license. So when a user comes into search engine and types a query, skydiving license, from which campaign do you think the ad will get triggered? I hope you are understanding the question, right? So there is a document from Google that is keyword and search theme prioritization. So this is the document that we are going to discuss now, right? So let's discuss this into the case studies, okay, so that you will understand it very clearly. So the first case study is when exact match keywords that are identical to the search terms. Let's say, so in your account you are using skydiving license in exact and license for skydiving in phrase and skydiving in broad, and in the search campaign you are using skydiving license as search theme. So when your user comes and types this query skydiving license, so as here the first thing it will check is that the first thing the Google will try to check is that whether this search term is present in exact match and the two in the identical means or not. So here skydiving license and skydiving license and that are in the identical form. So here ad get trigger from the exact match campaign. So I hope you are getting me right. So first it will check for the search campaign, and in the search campaign it will check for the exact match keyword whether present or not, and whether the exact match keyword is identical to the search term or not. So if there is any identical, then that keyword will be triggered from the search campaign, right? Even this won't get triggered if, let's say here you have a keyword like license skydiving, your ad won't get trigger from this campaign. Okay, it has to be identical. Skydiving license means the keyword should also skydiving license and it has to be in exact match. Okay, in this case this exact match campaign will be prioritized, right? And the second case is where phrase and broad match keywords or search themes that are identical to the search term. So let's say here we have keywords, right? Phrase match, broad match and search theme. Even though here you have a keyword, so in the phrase match, let's say you have this keyword, right? You have this keyword in the phrase match. So in this case, what happens? The ad will get triggered from the PMax campaign. Okay. So I hope you are understanding it. So even though it is identical to the search campaign keyword, as this is not in the exact match, it will be triggered from the PMax campaign. Right. I hope you are understanding the logic here. So next is the search term skydiving certification near me. Okay. And here you have two ad groups, and these two ad groups are in broad match. So skydiving license in broad match, advanced skydiving course in broad match. So in this case, what happens? AI, artificial intelligence, will decide which keyword should show your ad based on the relevancy. So here the query is skydiving certification near me. So of these two keywords, if you observe, skydiving license is more relevant because here certification and license both are similar, right? Somewhat close terms. So this is what the AI will understand, and it will make sure that ad will get trigger from the skydiving license ad group. This first one ad group. Okay, in this case, ad will get trigger from the first ad group, right? And what happens? This AI based prioritization works based on the only for the search campaigns. Okay, please remember this. It won't work for the DSA campaign or PMax campaign. This works only for the campaigns where you are using search keywords. Okay, so and let's say here the next to case study is advanced skydiving course to get licensed. So in this case, both the ad groups and both the keywords are eligible because if you observe, both are relevant to the search query. So in this case, what happens? So whatever the keyword that can generate highest ad rank, that keyword will be given highest priority. Okay, in the auction. So I hope you are understanding it. If there is, as here, both the keywords are having equal priority. Of these two equal keywords, whichever the keyword is able to generate a highest ad rank, that keyword will be given high importance. I hope you are understanding. Okay. Next is the here what happens. You see there are several keywords, and we also have the keywords in the PMax campaign. So in this case, let's say all the keywords and the such themes present in the PMax have sharing the equal priority. In this case, what happens? Obviously, whichever the keyword that can generate a highest ad rank, that keyword will be given the highest priority. Okay, ad from that campaign will be given, or ad from that search theme from the PMax campaign will be shown, whichever the generate highest ad rank. And in the last case, so if you have a DSA campaign and PMax campaign without search themes, in this case also, whichever the ad will get highest ad rank, that will be shown to the users, or that will be entered into the auction. Okay, so these are very simple concepts, but so it will be very good for you if you understand them. Okay, so I suggest you to go and read this article once so that you will understand it in much clearly. So we will meet in the next one.